How to hyperlink an email address on Word. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can add hyperlink email on Word. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do that, add a hyperlink, you just need to head over and open up Word onto your device, your laptop or PC, and you just need to type in a letter, a random, like for example, I'm just typing type. After that, go ahead and select it. And then you're going to select insert. Just go ahead and go to insert, or you can go ahead and go to the layout section instead and look out for hyperlink, or we can easily find it in insert section. So you can read about the link, like what link is and what hyperlinks does in this description given. When you click on the link or go to the link, move your arrow to the link, you will be finding the description. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on link. After that, we will get an option where you can add email. At the fourth, you can find that option. So in order to do that, you just need to go ahead and type in your email address here. Just go ahead and type in your email address on the first option. And after you are done typing your email address, you're going to locate the second option where you need to enter the subject, like your email address subject, so that when we click on the link, it will provide us the subject of your email address provided as well. Just enter any random thing. I'm just going to type in test for now. And then you may just go ahead and look out for the third option as well. Otherwise, directly click on OK. After that is done, the letter turns into an added color, which means the link has been added. So in order to go ahead and look out, you just need to press Ctrl plus click, and you will be taken to the link provided when you go to the letter. So that's how you basically add hyperlink to your email hyperlink on MS Word. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.